Yeah, good afternoon. This is Chris from myTop. We're at the SEMA show 2021, and I wanted to show you our lineup that we have here this time around. And I'm standing in front of the Gladiator. That top is now production ready, and we're about ready to start shipping to customers. And I would like to show you how it works. And as you know, everything with us is button operated. You open it up and you push the button and it retracts. Opened up nicely, very low, so the view in the rear view mirror is not obstructed. And then we go on to the JL maybe. Here in the JL. So same thing, same latches as we have over the Gladiator. So you unlatch and push the button and it opens. And of course we've been on the JL now for quite a while, a couple of years already, and they're ready in production and working well. And we have a new baby to the family here this time around. That's the Ford Bronco. That's not our car, that's a customer vehicle, and we're very happy that we could get one because they sold out and nobody has some, although here at SEMA it seems to be that every single production unit from Ford is here. There must be 500 Broncos here. And we have one too from our friend in Atlanta, and we would like to show you what we did on our first version now of the Bronco top. So similar to the other vehicles, so you have to manually open it on the latches, and again you have the buttons in order to open it. Uses the same motors, in principle, of course, it's the same idea. Then we have on the Gladiator and also on the JL and the JK models, but now new on the Bronco, and we're about to get production ready here. So hopefully in the spring of 2022 we'll get this out to the market, and that's it.